An entitled shoplifter disrupts routine Walmart arrest by slipping cuffs, kicking officers, and claiming victimization. Let's go into this weird encounter where things swiftly spiral out of control. On May 19th, 2023, officers were called to Walmart's loss prevention office to take custody of an unruly shoplifter. From the beginning, she was belligerent, verbally abusing the cops. As officers tried to escort her to the patrol car, things took a dramatic turn. She slipped out of her handcuffs and pushed the door open, trying to escape. The incident deteriorated when the suspect kicked a cop and urinated on herself in the back of the car.
It's all on recording. In the car. Get in the car.
You are such a piece of shit.
Get in the car.
Oh my god, you're a piece of shit.
Edward 13, can you come back out here? She slipped the cuffs. What the heck are you doing?
I'm telling you.
What are you doing?
I will pay for everything I.
That's not how this works.
Kids. I have 2 kids.
You're going to jail.
Thousands of.
Going to jail.
I'm not going to jail, man.
Yes, you
I
are.
have enough against me.
I
will
care.
do anything.
You got both cups off, ripped them right out, and she's trying to push the door open on me, so.
You guys want another email out there?
We should be good for now. Well, she pissed all over herself.
Yeah, thought about that for a second. I just haven't searched her because of the female thing, and so I just don't want to leave her too long without that. I'll go on tighter.
Yeah.
Sir, have a lawsuit on your hands.
Get out here.
You're out of here. No, you're out of here. You just
Stop.
smashed my fucking fingers. Get off of me. Get the off of me. You smashed my fingers in the door, and I will screw you so hard.
Stop. Are you going to keep going?
Piece of shit.
She also tried to kick us in the balls. So that's
No, I did not.
Yes, she did.
Look at my fingers. You're being cute. I'm not joking.
What is so complicated about this?
Oh, you know what's so complicated about it? You smashed my fingers in the goddamn door. This is fucking Walmart, you piece of shit.
Stop moving. Do you understand me?
Oh. Oh my god. Someone needs to be actually. He's just got me by the throat.
I don't have you by the throat.
You had me. That's not by the throat, you mother.
I'm heading out that way. What do you got?
Huh.
CTSO is 1054. SSO is going to try to work on getting a female. She's on another call. They're going to try to get her cleared up.
Are gonna.
Stop.
You.
Get in the car.
Look at what you did to my fingers.
You were punching the dang door.
You.
Get in the car.
Get out of my way.
Really?
This
Get
is
in the car now.
bullshit. Oh my god. You guys are so. I'm a white woman. Look at what the you're doing to
Good.
me.
Sit down.
Out of my face.
Sit down. Now.
How am I supposed to sit down if I can't
You won't
get
get in the
up?
car. I give you the opportunity. Look how you're acting.
Look at my kid, you dickhole.
Get in the car.
I'm here for my kid.
Get up on the seat. You're doing great.
I'm doing great.
Yep. Come on. Get your feet in the car now.
No.
All right. All right, there's a battery charge. Kick me. There's a battery charge.
Northport SB10.
We're going to get all the charges today.
Go for it, Jim. Go ahead.
You better let me out.
The officer's
No, you're going
patience
to jail.
was clearly running out.
You're going to
The
jail.
woman then began to play the
Going to
victim,
jail for
accusing the
what?
officers of hurting her and claiming
Battery
unfair
on me
treatment.
now. Stealing from Walmart. Do I got to keep going?
What?
I'm going to keep going if you keep acting like this. It's absolutely ridiculous.
Two mother kids. people they can't even provide for. You must be so proud that my kid won't have milk or shit. You're a piece of goddamn. I swear to God. Cops are like the dumb of the universe. You all think you have all the power, don't go work for my car.
Meat glove. We'll probably need all of this. Is she on that side of it, right? Yeah. Super duper feisty.
Hey, come on out. Take a step out. I'm not sleeping again. Take a breather. Okay. Take the car. Step over.
Northport, one way 13.
Take this foot, spread around a little bit. A little bit more.
Send a call to your cat.
There you go. You have anything that's not full?
As officers continued restraining her, she slipped out of the handcuffs a second time, forcing them to tighten them even more.
Are you still trying to get a hold of a guardian for the child?
That is correct.
Alright, step 4. We found a couple extra numbers. I'll try up here in the Arctic and all of us. I tried the 2 that the nurses just sent me for the mother. One went to voice message, one's out of service, and there's no answer at the residence here. Dad drives a silver Jeep with black wheels. We found some other family members nearby. We're trying to. So send me what you have, and I can swing by the address and get there.
Before you put it back there, I want to adjust the cuffs a little bit too.
Yeah.
You guys, you already got your hands into it. You want to just fix this for me?
Yeah, I think one on.
No, you made a bad decision. And then,
If you want, you can move them
you made another bad decision
and
by
pray.
fighting.
Nothing.
Be a little more comfortable for her. She just was fighting pretty bad, so
You picked
she's
up.
calmed down a little bit.
Right.
10-4.
Resisting. You got enough for resisting?
I still need you mean the resisting merchant, or are you talking about resisting with violence?
The resisting arrest.
Yeah, I do the resisting.
Okay.
Um,
Because you could just, it's
and
on
with,
top
when I have
of the battery.
I'll do the resisting, and I got to see if she resisted the merchant as well. I might tack that one on there. They got her in there, so I think she was just mouthing off, but she did go in, so I don't think I'm gonna do that one. Cuff's good now?
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you. All right, we're gonna get going up to the jail.
1 over 13, 1 over 11.
Good.
Despite her resistance, authorities were able to secure the subject in the patrol car. She was accused of felony stealing and violence on an officer.
Hold on. Tap for Is there a reason why you slipped out of your handcuffs? Is there a reason why you took the cuffs off again? Okay. Well, we'll be stopping and putting them back on. When you calmed down, the female officer was trying to be nice and give you the cuffs on so they weren't squeezing down on your wrists. But
Schoolwork 66 traffic.
I'm going to need some assistance to put these handcuffs back on. She's slipped them again.
1 hour to 11 hour court. I'm 97 in the rear lot. You may want to put other gloves on. She's already peed herself once. She's threatening. Come on, sir. She's threatening all sorts of things. So,
Got another pair.
yeah. Okay. And she's slipped her cuffs now twice, and 2 different people have set them, so they're gonna have to be set a little bit tighter. We're almost at felony shoplifting and bat Leo. So.
On who?
Me. Yeah, she kicked me in the wrist when we were trying to get her back in the car. So
10-4.
You ready? Yeah?
step out.
Great, thanks.
Come on, turn around.
Don't touch me like that. That's a little too aggressive, sir.
Okay, just turn. Stop.
No, he is being aggressive.
I get it. Put your hands together like you're praying. Still double one. Just hold her like that.
Are you okay? Do you have like superhuman strength, or what the is wrong with your arm there? Yeah, no, that's not gonna work.
Well, you keep slipping them.
I don't give a shit.
I do.
That up. Loosen them both up. That's absolutely.
Oh, you don't like it because you can't go in?
I don't care. That's too hard.
Yeah, maybe you'll sit appropriately.
White woman, I know who before.
There's one. Strip this one out.
You need to stop seriously grabbing me like that. Sir.
Stop.
Good luck.
No.
You want to get like again?
Nick.
Stop. Come on.
It's way too hard.
All right, well, stop moving.
Have a seat. Let's see.
This incident demonstrates how a routine shoplifting call can become chaotic when suspects resist and refuse to cooperate.
Thank you.
Fortunately, the officers kept control of the situation and ensured that justice was done.